Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Body, and today I am here with another video of our data structure series, and today we will do a code on Min Heap Deletion. Well, here in this code we are doing three things. That at first we will do the insert, Heapify up, then delete root, Heapify down, and then we will display the heap. And we know one thing, that in Min Heap parent needs to be smaller than or equal to children. Now let's start writing our code. Well, at first I will take our header files, which is include iostream. Now that is for our input output operations. Sorry, let me just fix it. Yes, now we're using, we're writing using namespace. Now that is for our standard cout cin. So yeah, after that we will take the structure of the class. Now we will take a min heap class. Here in the public we will take a public class, and inside the public class we will take we will take array 100. Now that is an array storage for heap, and then we will take, okay, let me just take this. Okay, then we will take integer size. Now size is for the number of elements in heap. Here the index starts from 1, not 0. Okay, so after that we are using min heap function. Now here we are writing array -1. The array -1 is just a dummy value. It's not used in heap logic. So at first we will insert a value. We are doing the insert operation. So we first place the new value at the last option, and then we will fix the heap, bubble up with our while loop, and then inside the while loop we will write integer parent by 2. Now here we will compare this with parent. Okay, so after that we are using conditions. Now here we have if, and now if parent is bigger than child, then it will swap. Okay, and then we have swap array. Now this continues until heap property is fixed or we reach to the root. So yes, now it's giving us return, and after this we are going to our today's operation. The delete operation. Now this removes the minimum element, the root. So here at first we will replace the root. Alright, so after that we will write our step 1, here you can see the array 1. Now here we will replace root with the last element, then size minus. Now this will remove the last element, and then integer I is equals to y. Now this is for Heapify down, and then integer left 2 into I. Now this integer left and right. Now these two lines will find the children, and then integer smallest equals to I. Now this will find the smallest among parent and children. Then we have the line if left is less than or equal to size. Now this will check the left side, and then we have if right is less than or equal to size. This will check the right child. Alright, so now let me just change this into right. So yeah, here it is. Then we are using a if condition, where we can see that smallest equals to I. Now this means that heap is fixed, so it will stop the condition, and then we will use our display function. Now let me just write the function, yeah, here, and then here we will just print our array. Here we are using a for loop. Now this shows heap in array form. Okay, so let me just cut this out and write the output, and after that we will write the inline. Now this will separate the lines, and then we are using our main function from where our programming actually starts. So here we are using our min heap is, then I will insert the values. So here we can see that the values are exactly that we did in our theory. So after that we will be our output. I mean that line is for our output, and then we will use this, and after that we will use delete heap. Now that will remove 10, and after that our total heap will look like 20, 40, 30, 70, 50, 60, as we have seen in our theoretical discussion video. So yeah, our code is coming to an end. Now I will just write return 0, and then I will just run this. So if we just run this, alright, so that's our output. Here you can see that our output before deletion and after deletion exactly same we did in our theory. So guys, that was all for our min heap deletion. And if you guys find my videos useful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in our next video. So till then, stay safe, take care, and Allah Hafiz.